JayBratts, we have finally moved up into the real world of being a gamer. We have got a gamer desk. So we are finally gonna stop using the hand-me-down desk from our grandma and actually move into something a lot cooler. So this is a Eureka Ergonomic. It's basically an Amazon special, $170, $180. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this up, put it together, and see how it looks, get everything set up, and let you know what I think of this desk as far as for your gaming needs, for your VR needs, everything you got. We're gonna set this thing down nicely, and we're gonna cut it open. As usual, we have a small, sharp unboxing knife to open this thing with. Safety first. We got some sort of frame. Another frame. We got an unboxing cap. We got bolts and crap, casters. I don't know. The desk is a big one. It looks like the top of the desk comes in two pieces. It's like a laminate plywood, nothing super special. One of the biggest mouse pads I've ever seen in my life. And the other top half of the desk. All right, I'm gonna take a few minutes, read the instructions like you always should in this case, and then we're gonna get started. So the first step here, pretty straightforward. You gotta figure out which way you want this desk to aim, because the desk is gonna be long, but it's gonna have one side that sticks out towards you, whether you wanna put your tower there, other stuff there, it doesn't really matter. You gotta figure out whether you want that on the left or that on the right. So for us, it's gonna be going in the corner here, so I want the part that reaches out the furthest to be on my left. And so all you do to change that is you put it either here or here, and you're visualizing the desk is upside down right now, with the farthest parts out being your feet of the desk. If I had it like this, once I flip the desk over, this would be sticking out my left, just like I need. They give you these two right here. These just slip in, and you bolt these on. Right, Libby? Now I'm leaving these loose for a reason, because I want to put these together before I see how close I can get the desk before I tighten it all up. Same thing with the top of the desk. You're gonna want to arrange that. This whole thing's gonna sit on the top. So I'm gonna grab these two. You should be able to tell pretty easily which side's the bottom. It's the side with all the holes in it. They give us these two pieces, which are then gonna hold the desk together. Frame is just gonna set on top. You're gonna line all the holes. And then they send you this. Basically all this does is this just fills the extra hole. Makes it so that there's no weird hole here. Doesn't really matter, you could go without it, but hey, it's nice of them. Quick shout out to this company. They did not send us this. We paid for this desk ourselves, but they give you everything you need, which is only one tool. I'm using a power tool to make it faster, but you can literally do all this with what they send you. You don't need anything extra, which is really nice. All right, with all those good and tight, the frame is all set on. We move on to the next step. And they couldn't make this any easier on you. These are just gonna slip on over these. I say that. These are gonna slip straight down over these, and then you've just got 4 bolts that go in each one. And once we have those 4, we're gonna tighten those down and repeat steps with the rest. All right, and with all those tight, now we just gotta put the feet on it. They did have blue, they looked blue, but it's plastic that's protective. You can take it off. If it looks good and you like it, you can leave it on, but some of them were wrinkled, so I took them off. Time to put it up. It's heavy, but it's not crazy heavy. It's something you can move on your own. The gigantic mouse pad cleverly hides that there's a seam in the desk. And then these, you're just gonna push these in place. These are gonna be where you're gonna house wires. So you're gonna be able to run wires through here, make the desk look a little cleaner, and then you're just gonna pop that back out. I'm gonna take some time, I'm gonna wire everything, set it all up, and then we'll get back to you with some final shots and thoughts once the desk's in place. All right, so the Eureka 60-inch gaming desk. It is stable. It feels really solid. It holds everything up really well. It's nice. Super easy to assemble. Competitive price as far as gaming desks on Amazon go. It says its full price is $200, but it was on sale for $190. But then there was also a $10 coupon to get it for $180. Features is where it's actually lacking. It has 2 holes in it for where your wires go for cable management, but it doesn't have any sort of ports that hold them. It doesn't have any sort of USB ports anywhere on the desk. It doesn't come with any USB hub like some desks do. It doesn't have cup holders. It doesn't have controller holders. It doesn't have any of that. It's just a straight desk. But I still really like it. This is my first real gamer desk, so that might also have a little bit to weigh in on that. It feels solid. It looks good. The mouse pad's huge and feels really nice. It's black on top and it looks really clean and nice. It's not, some of the desks have like carbon fiber and look really sweet. I kind of wanted one of those, but I think the black looks good. A lot of times you cover them with the mouse pad anyways. I can't really knock it for anything. The price might be a little high compared to what you get with the features of the other ones, but this, it's a great size, it's a great shape. The only thing that some people like that this doesn't have, some people like the Z-shaped legs that come down like this, because it kind of gives you a little less chance of banging your knee on this. It's unlikely that you're gonna hit yourself or hurt yourself on it. It actually has rounded edges on the desk too that it calls out is to help you not crash into the desk as much too. Let me know what you think. Do you have a gamer desk? Do you want a gamer desk? Do you think gamer desks are ridiculous and you use a normal desk? Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm pretty excited about it, and it definitely holds all my crap, which is the biggest deal. But I want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in another reality.
I want to say the biggest thank you to those of you who have become channel members and any of you who have ever been patrons of ours. Gallium VR, Chris Deputy, Legacy VR, Bagel, and a Fissy King Sloth, our current channel members. Our patrons, K27, Rocket Sauce 28, K Panda K, Fred Nebetebo, Ege Karatosh, Maddie's, Gallium VR, Orange VR, and Mr. Dodojo. Thank you so much everyone for supporting the channel.